Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video in our GitHub Actions tutorial series. If you have ever wondered how to automate tasks right inside your GitHub repo, from testing code to deploying apps, you are in the right place. In this series, we are diving into GitHub Actions, GitHub's powerful automation tool. Whether you are a beginner or have a little experience, we'll break things down step by step so you can confidently create workflows that save you time and supercharge your projects. So firstly, what is GitHub Actions? GitHub Actions lets you automate, customize, and execute your software development workflows right in your repository. You can trigger workflows on push, pull request, or even on a schedule. In simple terms, it's like telling GitHub, hey, every time I push code, run my test automatically. Oh, deploy my code too if all the tests passes. So what you'll learn in this series, you'll learn how to create your first GitHub Actions workflow, use cases like testing, building, and deployment, YAML basics for workflows, secrets and environment variables, how to handle those, reusable workflows, and marketplace actions. We'll walk through real-world examples so you can actually use these workflows in your own projects. In the next video, we are going to build our very first GitHub Actions workflow from scratch. And yes, it's easier than it sounds. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos in this series. Let's automate some workflows together.